Hi everybody, it is Antoinette again, and I just wanted to make a little video about my friends. You know, it is a blessed thing if you can count your friends on one hand. I mean, true friends. I'm not talking about associates, fair weather friends. I'm talking about true friends that, sit with you at your bedside when you're damn near dying, call you to see how you're doing. Those kind of friends, like friends who praying for you when you don't even know they're praying for you. I got a few of those. I am blessed to say that I have a few friends, and I don't count them. I just I know that I have them, which is a wonderful thing, and even if I don't talk to them every day, I know that if I need them, I know that they would be there for me without hesitation, without question. Man, I know this to be true. So, and then people who you thought were there, your friends, they're not there. But that's okay, because everybody can't be there. Everybody can't be your friend, right? And that's okay. That's okay. It's okay with me. I don't hold anything against them. I don't. I'm doing my little steps. I don't hold anything against them. I know that life keeps you busy. But when I see them, it's a good thing, and I'm okay with that. But I love my friends. We laugh, man, oh man. We laugh at stuff, we laugh at each other. We laugh at stupid things that we've done in this life. So I just wanted to shout out to my friends. I love you all. You know who you are. You know who you are. Thank you for being in my corner. Thank you for praying for me. Thank you for taking me places. Thank you for coming to get me out of that house, and getting me some sunshine. Thank you. I love you. And so I love everybody, though. I do. I really do. I appreciate the small things. Ooh, that sun. Thank you, Jesus. So I don't know who that is. Oh, I'll go this way. So anyway, oh, you see that? Hi. So you have to deal with the kind of long pauses because I don't know how to edit. Anyway, I appreciate small things. I try to appreciate everything now. I don't take anything for granted. I really try not to. February was a changing point in my life. So, God bless everybody. Remember to hug someone, tell them you love them, and appreciate the small things. This is Antoinette. Subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, and hit that notification button if you like to if you like to know when I'm posting more videos. God bless you all. Bye bye.